Hi everyone, I'm Vito Chin and I'm here to show how Azure Cognitive Services can be used to create more inclusive apps and enhance user experience. First, let's picture in our mind a traditional app interface. It is heavily visual, either with text or UI, and you are typically required to click or tap around and type something occasionally. And it's been like that since the beginning of computers. With modern speech AI, we can create better interfaces that provides additional focal point reinforcements. We can use speech AI to act as a supplemental interface for people who are blind or low vision. It can also be used to achieve greater degree of localization. Let's take a look at an example.
Welcome to Super Social. You have 7 messages from close friends today.
As you can see and hear, the user's attention is directed towards the key points by both visual text and audio speech. Besides reinforcing the key focus, users that are blind or low vision do get a customized and intentional audio cue as the first interaction with the application. Do note that these messages are not pre-recorded but generated from Azure Cognitive Service. The speech here is also better because it can be localized, giving a more familiar experience to the users. For example, a user from Singapore will hear this.
Welcome to Super Social. You have 7 messages from close friends today.
If you are keen to explore this service further, I will recommend you head to Speech Studio, where you can try out how the service can work for your application design. Also, do check out the range of local language coverage that is available. Vision. Now, let's take a look at how modern vision AI can help create better interfaces that pre-sees images and videos before the user sees it. Azure Cognitive Services can extract text from images, identify objects, and even analyze how people move in videos. This can help applications provide supplemental information for people who are blind or low vision, and it can also help application become more interesting as well as boost discoverability with all these additional perspectives. Here's a follow-on example.
Justin posted this photo today. It's a photo of a person and a skateboard.
Here again, we have an example of an app that takes a focused approach to UI, telling the user with both text and speech who posted the photo, when, and what the photo is about. Do note here that the description here is not entered by Justin, but put together by the application through Azure Cognitive Services. Let's take a look at how it does this. This is Vision Studio. Like Speech Studio, it is a tool that you can use to explore the range of vision services that are available on Azure. The example app earlier used this one here to detect common objects in images. So if we choose the image that we used earlier, Cognitive Services actually gives us the attributes that are detected. Programmatically, we get a JSON response that our app can understand. While we are here, let's take a look at another cognitive service that is useful for our example. So this one here. This service helps detect adult, racy, or gory images so that we can pre-filter uploads before allowing it in the app. So this again helps us create applications that are more inclusive. Thanks for giving me your time to hear about how Azure Cognitive Services can help make your app more inclusive and enhance user experience at the same time. Remember, inclusivity is about creating an experience that is welcoming to all.